One of the most common organization actions is Create Post. To create a post, go to moment.com and tap Login. If you are already logged in, you will land on My Organizations page. In this case, Rachel is the admin of both Redwood Grove and Redwood Grove Summer. By tapping the Admin Dashboard button, she lands on the Organization Dashboard of Redwood Grove Summer. Under the Organization Actions, she can tap Create Post. In the Create Post pop-up, she can create a post, she can designate it as an important post, which sends a push notification and email about the post immediately. She can create a newsletter, as well as schedule or save draft posts. When creating a post, she can choose to post to one or to multiple programs. She can include photos or a video. When creating a newsletter, she can use formatting, add links, and place photos within the text. With either posts or newsletters, she can post now, save it as a draft post, or schedule the post to be posted at a later date. She can also go into a specific program. Tap on the Communications tab, and here she can see all the posts under the timeline. And she can tap to create a post under the Program Actions button, or she can use the Create Post button within the timeline.